What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you can see me. I know I'm squinting, but we have been working on running the water line up to the new shop all day. My girlfriend's dad has his mini excavator here. I have my brother's truck just because I have the D.M.I bumper on mine. So we have my girlfriend's dad's hitch. So we're gonna tow his excavator back over to his house for him. We are using my brother's dynomax. It's an L.L.Y, so thank you to Caleb for letting me use this. Was gonna try and get the camera out this morning, but the battery was dead, so it's been on the charger, finally charged. So we're gonna get back down there. I'll show you exactly what we have been doing. I did break the water line in the back where we were tapping into, so that took forever. But we got that finally fixed. The water company came out and turned the meter off at the road for us just because we couldn't get it turned off. Our valve to turn it off was stuck. So they actually had to come back and replace that. They said it was leaking and that valve was shot anyway, so they went ahead and fixed that for my dad. But we're gonna go up there. I'll show you guys everything and then we'll just continue on. Well, guys, we got it all loaded up. As you can see from those driving clips there, we are back over to Shaylin's house with it. Go ahead and get it unloaded. But huge shout out and thank you to her dad for doing all that. He didn't have to do that for us, but I appreciate it. And then thank you to my brother for letting us use his truck again. But I will pick you guys up. I have to put some fuel in this, but I'll pick you guys up when we're heading back to Brownstown. Well, guys, we made it back to the house. Thanks again to Jeremy and my brother. I'm going to show you exactly what we did and what Jeremy, Shayla, my girlfriend's dad, did for us. So here in the back of the barn, we tapped into the water where I decided to break the line this morning, the hydrant right there. So he dug all the way through the back of the barn there. We tapped in right here, as you can tell, and that's going to be our water line for our sink and our hydrant stuff up at the new shop for like our washing or me doing the details and then washing tractors and equipment and so on and so forth. As you can tell, he trenched out the back all the way up along the driveway here and then up the side of the tool shed. I busted that line, like I said, and this whole thing was filled with water, so that kind of sucked this morning. But we got that taken care of. Dad is up here working on our drain pipe and stuff for our wash bay drain and our sink drain and stuff like that. So we're gonna go up here, help him, hopefully get a lot of this done tonight. It's gonna be a lot of backfilling As you can tell, we had to dig across the driveway here. And it's been a mess, it's been a process, but I'm glad it's done. Now we have water and everything up here. Now it's just gonna be, the main focus is getting everything done on the inside of the shop and just moving forward that way. We still have to put our hydrant on the inside so we can tap into our water on the inside for like our pressure washer and water hose and stuff like that. But that shouldn't be that bad. But I know Dad's getting tired. It's been a long day. We've been at this since about 8:30 this morning. So I'll pick you guys up when we get a little bit further along. I just want to kind of give you guys a little bit of an update as to what's been going on. As you can tell, all that's dug up back there. That's drainage piping and all that fun stuff. So like I said, I'm going to set you guys down. I'll pick you up when we get a lot of it done. It's going to be a lot of backfilling and a lot of boring stuff. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll show you what it looks like soon. So I'm gonna apologize for the wind noise, guys. This is a couple days later. We got all this, so from the back of the barn, trenched all the way up, we got it all backfilled all the way around the tool shed here, or the new shop, and up that way. Then we have our drain line for the wash bay drain going that way, and then this, where the rock is, that's our water line, and then it wraps around and goes into the building. So I'm going to show you exactly what we all have gotten done since the last time you guys have seen it. Like I said, we have the water in here now. We just have to hook up our sink, which the sink's up here. We just need to kind of redo the vanity a little bit because this is an old vanity from when my grandma lived in my dad's house, and this piece down here is all rotted out. So we're probably just gonna cut this off, beef it up with 2x4s. There's the actual sink part. And then it'll be going in there. Like I said, we have our water and everything in here because we did trench right across and then went in here. And then this here is for our trim pieces that we have actually started. Let me flick the light on. So you can see the trim's going in at the bottom all the way around. We have one piece over there, got the desk built. We have the mini fridge, the filing cabinets outside. We need to bring it in. I bought an air compressor. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I've changed around here. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get started. Shaylin's been painting doors. This will be the door that goes to, I guess like the sink area, not really like the restroom, just like where the sink and all the hot water heater and stuff would go. And then when we build this wall here, we're gonna tap in so we can hook a hose to it and have water out here for the wash bay area. So it's coming together. Should look decent once we get a lot of this stuff cleaned up. We need to try and get a lot of this cleaned up because of hay season being right around the corner. We need to get all the equipment in here and get it serviced and stuff. And it's just gonna be a time crunch. I think Dad and I are gonna try and work on the ceiling a little bit tonight when he gets home. And then, yeah, so we're just gonna keep on going. I'll pick you guys up when we get some shit done. Okay guys, bringing you back. We did a lot of running around today. I had to run to Brownstown, grab some sprayer parts, run to Seymour, run back to Brownstown. Didn't get a whole lot done here in the shop, but I still, some staining I need to do up there. And then for the most part, we got a lot done in the office. The whole ceiling and everything's painted now, all the way across. Got some more trim put up. All the baseboards and everything besides the back over there is done. We still have to put our corner trim pieces up. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then we still need to mount our window in there. We will have to get more white paint. We ran out. I'm just short over here on those spots there. But And then that beam up there, I ran just short. But other than that, it's coming together. We moved the light forward a little bit, got the filing cabinet in here, got some stickers put on it, and then stickers on the mini fridge here. These three are sponsors. I'm gonna try and fill this up with sponsors. So if you want to sponsor the channel or just send a decal, feel free to send one. I'll be sure to give you guys a shout out and stuff. But we're gonna take a break. We've been at this all day, especially like standing here and like painting and stuff. Kind of boring, but I'm gonna try and get this video uploaded. We have been super busy the past, well, since about last Friday, because we've been getting ready to trench all the water and stuff in, so I haven't made a video in like a week or so. But now that all the trenching and stuff's done, as you can tell, we got the rock and everything in, I'm gonna try and get this video uploaded. Just a bunch of small odd end things. I need to finish cutting the drain, or the wash bay drain flush, putting a cap on it. We got to get the sink and stuff mounted up in there. Got to finish that wall off. Just a bunch of small odd end stuff as we get closer to getting this all done. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the shop progress and stuff. I'm hoping to have the 79 starter back by Wednesday. I stopped by the guy's house and he can't get any parts because no one's shipping anything. He ordered parts like 2 weeks ago, but it's just taking forever to get them shipped. So hopefully I'll get that back. We can get it put on the 79, get it fired up, and do a bunch of new mods to the 79 that I've been waiting for. And also the 98's got a huge mod coming up that I'll announce in the next video. So be sure to stay tuned for that. But remember, guys, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one.